So we just drove through Idaho. We're traveling north on Highway 93, and we are going to go drive up Pass Creek, which is kind of a cool canyon. It has some interesting rock formations. There's also a lake up there called Bear Creek Lake. Keeping our fingers crossed that there's not so much snow up there that we can't make any progress towards the lake. But that's kind of one of the fun things about going on these adventures is you don't know if you're even going to be successful or how far you'll get or what kind of unplanned adventures you may run into along the way.
And the app that we're using is All Trails, and All Trails gives you quite a bit of information on the trail, such as distance and elevation, and also gives you pictures and photos of other hikers that have hiked that. So it's approximately 4.7 miles round trip, and the app said it's about 1,600 feet elevation. So hopefully that's true, but we'll see. So it's a beautiful day. It's not snowing and it's not raining, so that's always a plus in our book. We'll see you on the trail. So we just made it to the trailhead. As you can see behind me, it's blue skies and sunny and beautiful outside. So we're gonna go ahead and start our hike. and we'll catch you on the trail.
So this part of the trail has experienced an avalanche, and you can see where all the debris has piled up. I think it came from up there somewhere. I don't really see a clear path of where it came from. Oh, whoops, nope, it came from over here. And people have done a really good job of cleaning this up and providing access to the trail. Water level has dropped an enormous amount from the end of summer, and then it just hasn't refilled yet from the snow melt. So where I'm walking now is usually where the shoreline is. So it looks like it's dropped maybe 10 feet or so. But very beautiful. It was sunny earlier. made it up to Bear Creek Lake. It's a little bit windy and a little bit cool. Some of the storm clouds are blowing in, and we did hear some thunder a second ago, so I'm not sure how long we'll stay up here.
But it's really neat. I really like seeing it like this.
It's maybe a little over an hour to get here, so it's not a really long hike. It looks like it was 1,600 vert, and there was quite a few snow fields that we had to walk through and kind of skirt around. But yeah, we're hearing the thunder in the background, so
Yeah,
I think we're gonna leave soon.
We're gonna head down and have a snack just a little bit lower. And how many miles was it?
My watch says it was 4 miles, but I don't think it was really that far. So
Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.